Hello everyone, today's topic is essay on say no to plastic or plastic pollution in English. Please do subscribe my channel. Plastic is everywhere. It is in our homes, schools and even seas, oceans, rivers, etc. Plastic bags are a major cause of pollution. Say no to plastic bag is the best way to save our environment. Plastic bags become a major cause of land and water pollution. They are causing more harm to our environment. They causes pollution and harms animals. Plastic bags are non-biodegradable items that stay in our ecosystem, restricting biodiversity. Thousands of whales, fish, turtles, and many other water animals killed by eating plastic bags. Many wild animals eat plastics, mistaking them as food and die. Rivers, seas, and oceans have become polluted due to plastic bags and other plastic items. We all have seen plastic bottles and bags littering our parks, beaches, and even the streets. It is an environmental problem. They pollute and make the soil infertile and affect vegetative growth. Plastic bags take hundreds of years to decompose and have started affecting the biodiversity of our planet. These bags have become hazardous to all life forms on the planet. The process of burning plastic bags releases poisonous gases that can kill or poison living beings and create air pollution. To save the environment and protect life on earth, we should stop using plastic bags. It is always go to carry jute, cloth or paper bags and don't use of plastic bags. By saying no to plastic bags and adopting eco-friendly alternatives, we can reduce pollution, save wildlife and protect our planet for future generations. Youths should come forward and spread awareness about the effects of plastic pollution. The government is taking many necessary steps to completely ban the production and circulation of plastic bags to save the ecosystem. So, we should not use plastic bags. Say no to plastic for a better future. Thanks for watching.